Good night, teacher. I am the student Dairo Alexander Castro Gutierrez. For the activity of the cultural project, select the Phylum Celebris. One of them is Conor McGregor, and the other is Jorge Carrascal. Uh, Taking into account that they are right performance athletes. They have been important to turn out my lives because they are people who had overcome the speed, the economy difficulties during their childhood, and today is whose time um, to the present of all my sacrifices need to be professional. Um, Everybody maybe person and full of values. I selected them for the effort and dedication to be athletes they currently are their lifestyles uh, are very different. On Connor's side, he amazes martial arts boxer, and his origin is Irish. He's why from his bikinis as a basker was the one who paid his expenses of the training to be able to attend. It was she was working as an employee in a family home because they had very low economy resources. She's currently a basker who was won different world titles. They had two children, and they also had their uh, everybody brand carried whiskey proper. Since this has singularly increased his funding on Jorge Carrascal side, he is a Colombian soccer player born in Cartagena in a very humble neighborhood and about and full of a lot of violence taking into account that there is a presence of winds his childhood was very hard in the sense that they had to carry an ice to defend his life, his economic condition, and that of his family with poor. He played for the Colombia national team. Today, he achieved a foundation with partner for Falcao. It is important to see who is one has overcome the South despite the level of economy difficulties they have and their efforts had achieved their hot heights by the hand of God. Thank you, teacher, very much.